few days ago, I responded to a tweet about grooming gangs. I tweeted that 90% of convictions in the UK are Muslim men. This is a fact. It's a fact even found by a Muslim organisation who done research into it. This is a tweet that got me banned from Twitter for 7 days. It's also true, even Majid Nawaz come out in my defence. We disagree on many things, but he come out saying how outrageous this was. Twitter started by removing my verification. Now they've limited my account. This is the build-up. They want to remove me, to silence me, to discredit me. They have tried to stop me in every possible way, from taking my finances, to imprison me, to slander me, to linking me to Darren Osborne and extremism. Now they want to take away the final thing I have, my voice. I don't doubt one day they will wipe me off social media completely, forever. They will take away my right to defend myself when I'm slandered in the press. The media will be able to tell you whatever they want about me, and I'll have no way of responding. If they can do it to me, they can do it to you. When I decided to sue the police because of the harassment of my children and many other things, my lawyer warned me things were going to get very dirty. Now that I'm suing them on multiple fronts, it's getting dirtier and dirtier. One day you won't be able to reach me on social media at all, or watch my videos on YouTube. One of the reasons I left Rebel Media is because I want to be out on the street. I want to be out there exposing the truth about what's going on in our country and also across Europe. I have major plans to start something big, a whole new platform to get the truth out to you, to the British public, people who deserve to know what's going on in our country. But they're going to try and stop this at every level. They already are. One day, I will only have this and my website. So please visit tommyrobinson.online and sign up for updates. I don't want to bash you with spam. I just want to make sure when it happens, trust me, it's going to happen. That's exactly what this big build-up's for. I want to be able to keep on getting the truth out, telling the stories no one else will. In 2016, the tide was on our side. We had all the power to challenge the mainstream media, to expose their lies and finally get the truth out to the people, the real truth. But they realised that, and now they're taking back the power. The entire establishment, they're fighting back. They're working with social media to silence us. They can kick me off Twitter. They can delete my Facebook. They can remove my YouTube. But I won't let them stop me telling the truth. So please, if I can ask one thing from you, just share this video, sign up, pledge us your support. Just follow the links at tommyrobinson.online and I'll make sure that whatever they throw at me, the truth will always be told in this country.